journey will go in our ecosystem. So basically, we have three models in our system. One is the ERM, second one is the CFleet, and third one is the MyCargo. So the first one is the ERM, where the NOCC user can comes, create a customers, create a vendors, and all the things. And basically, we are providing here to create a services that we are providing while booking the booking of the end user, that is a shipper. So here we are creating the different services and some voyage services, and we are providing pricing related things, and all these things we are providing in the form of the ERM, where we are integrating in short our master data that we can reuse again and again to publish the quotations and creating the contract. So first we will focus on the ERM, how we are integrating our ERM in our this NOCC digital systems. Basically, ERM we are using for here to one, the first step is to creating the contract, and the second one is the publishing the quotations. So we have assumed that our NOCC user is having an agreement with a carrier, like for example the CMA CGM, and they are having a details of the contract. The contract is mainly the long term policies that where the NOCC and the carriers are agreed, and they are having some negotiating pricings on that contract basis, and the different services on that they were agreed. So this is the things we are providing while creating the contract and details of the contract, and that we are fetching while publishing the quotations. So let's have a look of our user interfaces, how we are integrating this in our system. Services, whatever the quotations we are published previously, all the are the listed here. So if I want to add the quotations here, I need to click on the plus icons, and I can add the quotations, come here to create my quotation, to publish my quotations. So if I will see here, the contract is listed automatically while creating a quote here. So here previously what I created the contract is listed here, uh, and the carrier on behalf of which I have created this contract, so that name is listed here, so that is a CMA CGM. Once I will click here, that contract details are getting fetched here. Now right now we have only one type, like a standard contract we are creating here, and then we need to provide the quote. For example, I have a contract of the 6 months, then I can able to publish the quote within that 6 months only. So the validity should be within the contract only. So I can select here the particular pricing I'm providing in this code. So I need to select all that details here, routing information like place of receipt, port of loading, port of discharge, and all the things, and container pickup and drop off location here. And there all we are having a drop down of the locations where we can select and provide the details here. Once I have provided the routing information, I have to select the equipment for which I am providing the pricing. So here we have a standard drop-down list of the containers, where I can select any of the container here, and then I can provide the respective details of the type of the container here. As many as container I want to select, I can add here and remove also. Once I had selected the container equipment here, or like equipment or the container, then I need to provide the surcharges of that containers. So we have a basically two surcharges. One is the equipment surcharges and another is the BL surcharges. Basically, BL charges are the per shipment and the equipment surcharges are the per containers. So as many container I have provided, I can select here. For example, previously I selected 20 GP. I need to select here. Then I have a different services that I can able to provide on behalf of this equipment or the container. So this is the standard list of the services where I can select any of the services, and then I can provide the respective details here. For example, this basically, if I will select one more here for 20 GP, and I'm providing one more services like terminal handling charges, and I want to include this in the basic fleet surcharges only, then I can tick mark here so that this will be passed as in 0, and you can provide at a once only. Then I need to select the BL surcharges also, that is per shipment. So this is also, we have a standard drop down list of the BL surcharges list, export document space, import, and the premium customer like this. Then I need to provide the currency, amount, and payment term, like it's a prepaid or the collect. Then all these things. Once I will provide this all the things, I can publish my quotation. So now and I added two services on behalf of that two equipments. That is, I'm providing only the basic freight services here. So I have selected that, and the one BL services here. So here the minimum we have to provide at least one services for the equipment and one services for the BL. So this is previously how published one quotations that we will use in our further journey. This code to publish voyage from the CFleet model.